everyone. Guess what I have? I have an unboxing part 2 of my Dreamer design. And these are the 2 kits that I got as the mystery box. I picked the 2 kit mystery box for $70 at Dreamer Design. And I did get an additional discount. Don't remember what it was, but I did. So, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and let's see what I got. Okay. All right. It is this guy here. Oh, hold on, guys. You know what I forgot to do again? Switch the lights. Give me a minute. You know, Mr. Pampered has his rules about the lights now. So we got to make sure we get the lights all taken care of. Keep him happy, keeps me happy, and then we're all happy. Okay, so this is the kit, which still has glare. Cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, I took a chance on the mystery package, and I don't usually like to do that because I'm picky and I don't really like the ladies. I don't like portraits, but I got lucky. I am so excited over this. All right. Come on, open up. I want to start all my kits. Do you think I can do that? Can we start them all? Can we just start them all? Just don't tell Mr. Pampered, because he will buy me more storage containers so that I can start them all. But then I won't have any of them finished. I think I told you that in one of the videos before. But what do I show you first? The drills? Let's do the canvas. And this is very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Whoop, one swoosh and it's done. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, I hear stuff. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I just love it, guys. I love it, love it, love it. Ah, look at that flower. Oh my gracious. Look at the birds. Look at that guy up here. And do you see the butterfly? There's a couple of them. Oh my gosh. Look at this canvas. It is absolutely beautiful. So I want to start this one too. I want to start them all. I want to start them all. I want to start them all. I know, I can't. I just can't start them all. So this one has 62 colors, guys. Okay, it has 2 ABs. It's got a green AB and a blue AB. And then it has 3 LZ drills. I don't know what an LZ drill is, but we will find out. I will have to go and see if their website tells you what an LZ drill is. Let's see, does this tell you? No, it does not. That is my sticker sheet. Beautimous. Ah, guys, this is beautiful. All right. This is just beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love it. I was really worried about getting a mystery kit. I really was. But I took a chance and I did good. All right, we're going to look at the drills. So I'm going to flip this over so that you can see them better. Look at this. Okay, RoseKnit39 calls this a, everybody, cinnamon roll. Look at that. Calls it a cinnamon roll. And Starbright 70 calls these trains. Go check out those channels if you haven't already. Oh my gosh, guys, look! Look, these are the LZ drills. They're not fairy dust, they're not ABs, they are just crystals. Oh my gosh. Here, this is an AB. This is an AB. These are the special drills. Beautimiss. I still don't know what LZ means. We'll have to look it up and find out. Put it in the comments if you know what an LZ drill is. How's that? Just put it in the comments. All right. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I just love these. Wow, guys, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 827. 5 bags. Here's another train. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3. 3 of 742. I love that color. And then 1, 2 of 741. They're very close, but 741 is darker than 742. Look at these. Beautimiss. Beautimiss colors. Love them. Another train. Choo choo. Okay, here we go. Love it. These 310. Yes. Look, guys. This is it for 310. That is it. Yes. Oh my gracious. I love it. Did I tell you I love these drills? I love them. I just hope I have fun kitting them up. We will see when I finally kit up a dreamer design. We will see. We will see. Hopefully I won't have to freeze them for a month. Because I'm going to try not freezing them and see what happens. These are 2 bags of 519. It's a pretty blue. Here's another 742, a continuation from this train. So that makes how many bags of 742? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 742. Love it. Ooh, 775 is this mint green. I just love these colors. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, beautiful. Here's another train. Here's another train. Choo choo. Okay, here we go. A green, because, you know, there's going to be leaves, right? So we need some green, and that's okay. Look at these. Look at them. My gosh. 2906. That's okay with me. And here's the last train. Choo choo. There we go. These are different colors, actually. We have two 3364 and one of these 33. Nope, just kidding. Two of them, two of each, color green. Wonderful. Beautiful. Oh, I love them. There's a little static in that bag. Can you see those jump-in beans there? And there's static in that one. Yep, there's a little bit of static in these. Uh-oh. We'll deal with it. We will put a fabric sheet on the tray, pour them on top of the fabric sheet, hold the fabric sheet, make it like a funnel, and funnel it into the container. It will work, and it will work good. Try it. All right, I haven't done the inventory on these yet. So let me put these down here in my seat. And let's flip this baby over. Oh, all right. These guys are going to go probably in here. Let's take a looky-see. LZ444 is the number 2. Okay, just kidding. Number 2. There's a lot of them, so they gotta go somewhere. Yeah, yellow number 2. Here they are. They're gonna go in the outskirts of the flower petals. That's where they're gonna go, in the petals. These are gonna go in the petals. 1, 2, 3, 3 in the petals. And then these 2 will go, that's number 1. And it is like a gold color. And they're also going to go in the petals. Oh my gosh, this flower is going to blossom. Oh, and then this one is LZ 5200. Look at that. And that goes in the O. My gosh, this is going to be beautiful. I told you, I just want to start them all. Oh, here's one in the eye of the bird. In the eyes of the birds that goes in, and the frame of the butterfly. Of both butterflies. It's going to do the, what's the word I'm looking for, guys? Help me out here. The outline. The outline of the butterflies is where this one goes. The LZ 5200. Oh my gosh. Okay. The AB, the blue AB goes. Dun, 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 dun. It's the square within a square. And it's probably going to go in the bird. And yes, it is. It goes in all the birds. Sweet. Yep. It's going to go in these birds. Yes. And then this one is a green, and that number is Q. Let's look for the Q. Q, where are you, Q? Aha. The Q will go in the leaves, and all the leaves down here will be where the Q's go. Beautiful. Now, that is that. And I just want to see what color the toolkit, the tray is. Because since it's a mystery box, it's probably an older canvas. And these are squares. Oh, it's not. It's got the pink tray, guys. The pink trays are the newer ones. Cool beans. Cool beans. Yes, love it. And it comes with baggies. That's what's stopping this from going back in. But that's the tray. If you guys want to see the tray, I can show it another time. But look at those. They are beautiful. And I will do inventory. I go down here and make sure I go down the color grid right here. I make sure I have all the colors, and then I put these drills back, and I put them in a baggie because they're not going to fit in here. There ain't no way I'm getting them all back in there. No way. They ain't going to happen. No siree. It ain't going to happen. So this, I will probably cut this out and put it on one side. And then on the other side of the baggie will be this, so that I can see which canvas this goes to. And then I just find the canvas with the name Sunflower Glory by Jane Mayday. This one is a 60 by 80, which is equivalent to 23.6 by 31.5. Whoa, that's a big one. I can do it. So that is what's going to happen with these drills. So oh, I'm so excited, guys. So excited. There will be another unboxing of my last Dreamer design, because I was going to do it with this one, but I don't want everything to get a mess, and I don't want to have my drills get mixed up, because I almost mixed them up when I unboxed the other two. So I don't want to do that here. I scared myself. I really thought I had mixed them up, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But the amount of colors were different, so I was able to figure it out by matching with the color grid. So I really don't want to do the other unboxing in this video, but there will be another video of my last canvas of my mystery box from Dreamer Design. P.S. I'm very excited for everything I got. Oh my gosh. Did I say I was excited? I really like all the canvases. Yeah. Thank you, everyone who have tuned in, who have subscribed, because at the time of this filming, I have 456 subscribers. And if you guys hang on, there might be a surprise when I hit 500. But you got to hang on, and hang on after, because let's face it, nobody wants people just to hang on for the giveaways. I want you to hang on for the long haul, so you can watch me on my journey of diamond painting and of my YouTube channel. I am having so much fun with this channel, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Please be kind to everyone you meet, because you never know what they're